research, you have selected the right keywords by watching our keyword research video. You have also purchased a hosting and claimed your bonus offers of free paid theme and free paid plugin. And I hope that you have written those 5 to 10 articles by watching our SEO friendly article video of our affiliate marketing playlist. Because if you're applying to become an affiliate of Amazon through Amazon Associate, your application will not be approved if you don't have content on your website. So make sure you watch rest of the lessons of our affiliate marketing playlist, implement the same, and then watch this video again to apply for the Amazon Associate account. So the first step is to search for Amazon Associate here and click here on Amazon.in Associate. This is the place where you can sign up to become an affiliate of Amazon.in. So the process of becoming an affiliate is fairly simple. All you have to do is click here on join now for free. So if you already have an Amazon account, you can log into your account and then apply, or you can create a new account by clicking here. So I'll be creating a new account for this. So all you have to do is fill in your details here and click on create your Amazon account. So to your email address, there'll be a OTP sent. Just enter the OTP here to verify your account. After this, the process of creating your associate account will start. So the first thing is to add your payee name here. In the payee name section, you have to add the same name that is on your bank account. Because there are two modes of withdrawal of money from Amazon Associate account. The first is check and the second is NEFT. And for both the things, you need a correct payee name. So make sure you add it correctly. After the payee name, you have to add the address and everything else, the postal code, and then your phone number. And who is the main contact for this account? Make sure this one is selected. And for the US tax purpose, are you a US person? Select no, because we live in India. So fill all this information and click on next. So here's the section where you'll have to add the website on which you'll be promoting the Amazon affiliate links. So if you're following our Amazon affiliate marketing course, then you know that we have created a website called bestdslr.in. So I will be adding that domain here. So click on add. Click on the next. Now this section talks about a tracker on an ID that you will be creating that will be associated with your account. So you can add anything here. So I'll just add best DSLR here. It is not mandatory that you will get the same ID because it depends on the availability of this ID. So here you have to add the information about what your website is about and all. So I'll just mention a few things here. After this, you have to select which of the following topics best describe your website or mobile app. So select one of the topic which select any of the category which comes under your website domain. So for me, it will be technology, and the secondary topic could be photography. What type of Amazon items do you intend to list on your website or mobile app? You can select all of them or few of them depending whatever you will be promoting. I'll be selecting all of them. What type are your website or mobile apps? So select what exactly what your website is about. So it's a content or a niche website. So I'll be selecting that. And the secondary type, I'll select it more like a blog. So how do you drive traffic to your website? So this section talks about how you will be driving traffic to your website. Since we are primarily focusing on SEO and somewhat on social media, so we'll be selecting this. How do you utilize your website and apps to generate income? So select your primary income source. So you can select that Amazon Associate is the only monetization you'll be using. And for the secondary, you might be going for the display advertisements. Here they're talking about backlinks, how you will be building backlinks for your website. So here you can select blog editor because you'll be using WordPress. How many total unique visitors do your website and apps gets per month? Although your website is new, you only have a few articles on your website and also you have not started doing the SEO. So you might be receiving less than 500. So you can mention this less than 500. What is your primary reason for joining the Amazon Associate program? So here you can mention that to monetize my website. And how did you hear about us? You can mention anything like a blog post or anything else. Here you just have to fill the captcha like NF7MNN. Click on you agree to the terms and click on finish. Once you're done, there will be one more option of enter your payment and tax information. You can do it later as well. As of now, I'll just click on later. And this is the Amazon Associate ID that has been given to me, Best DSLR 21. So whenever someone purchases anything through my link, and if this ID is present in the link, I will be getting the commission of that purchase. So I'll click on later. So this is how the backend of your Amazon Associate will look, and Amazon also gives you a quick guide on how to select the country, how to access the account settings and everything else. So I'll just show it to you quickly. So this is the snapshot of your account, how you'll be making money and how much money you'll be making, total items shipped, total earnings, the total ordered items, total clicks, etc., etc. There are some quick recommendations of the products that you can promote. And let's go to the account settings. You can click here on account setting. Here you will find all the settings related to your account, like change your password, change your account, add more websites, edit your website information, everything else. And now let's go to the report section. What I'll do is I'll take you to my Amazon Associate account for one of my Amazon affiliate website and show you everything with real data. So here you can see one of the Amazon Associate account for one of my affiliate website. And you can see for the last month, almost 102 products were shipped and the total earnings was around somewhere close to 8,000 rupees. And yesterday itself, you can see that we sold a product, or rather a few products, I'm not sure, where the fees, my commission was around 1,000 rupees. To check the detailed report, all you have to do is go to the report section here. Here you will get the complete report of your Amazon Associate account, like how many products were shipped on a particular date. You can see that on a daily basis, I'm driving significant amount of clicks and the order revenue, what's my conversion rate, how many people were ordering products directly through my link or other products they ordered when they visited the website. And also the refund rate, you can see that almost 10% refund rate is in India, and the conversion rate and the item revenue and my affiliate commission. This is not the final commission because the commission gets logged after a few days. So there might be few refunds in the future. So this is not the exact commission, but it will be somewhere close to this. You can also go into the earnings section, exactly on a per day basis, how much I am earning from Amazon Associate from this website. And you can also change the date range and everything else. You can also download the reports and there's so many options. So I'll really request you guys to check all the options and get comfortable with this dashboard. Now I'll show you how to generate links for the products that you are promoting. So the best way is to use the site Stripe. So after you log into your Amazon Associate account, open amazon.in. And the best part is there'll be this new bar at the top. It's called Amazon Associate Site Stripe. So with this, creating the links becomes extremely easy. So let's say you can click on any product. Okay. So let's click on this 1+6. So all you have to do to create an affiliate link for this product is to click here on text. You can get the full link here. You can get the short link here. If you want the image to also have the affiliate link, you can embed the image as well. So you can use this to get the image, or you can go for text and image both. I use the text link and I usually shorten it. To find the commission rate on each product category on Amazon.in, all you have to do is search for Amazon Commission Affiliate and click on this first link. And this particular page lists down all the various niche or the categories on Amazon and what is the commission rate for each category. I also showed you this in the niche research on how to finalize the niche and also in the keyword research section. So this is how you generate the links, and then you can add those links to your Amazon affiliate website. And I already showed you how to write the article, SEO friendly article in my other video. So make sure you watch that video. And just like I mentioned that don't apply to Amazon Associate account unless and until you have at least 5 to 10 articles on your website. Otherwise your application will be denied. And also later in the video, I'll be telling you many different ways why Amazon will ban your account. Many people are getting their account banned because they are not following the terms and conditions.